Did I just do the mascara hack in 5 minutes? We shall see. Jocelyn McClellan here with Fit Mission Makeup, and I'm coming to you so stinking fast because I'm giving you a 5-minute makeup tutorial. But I'm here for you for a 5-minute look. Why is this so important to you? Because, girlfriend, we need it. Some days you don't have any more time than 5 minutes. I'm bringing to you, because we all know it takes 5 minutes to do that face, but it takes a little bit longer to get dressed and get that jewelry on. So I'm bringing all of that. That is hard. That's hard. Or is it not? If you have your cream foundation, it is a ton easier to do a 5-minute makeup tutorial because I need easy and fast, and you want a quick makeup tutorial. Heck, I want a quick makeup life. If you love this video or you want to check out more, please subscribe below, click the button, and let's do this. Let's enjoy our time here together. And if you want to follow me more, Instagram, that's where I'm at. Instagram, you can find me where I do a ton more tutorials, show you little bits and pieces of my crazy, and we enjoy one another. You can ask questions, you can get answers. Peeps, quick and easy is where it's at. You need it, I need it. Fast, compact makeup. On your mark, get set, go. Is it going? Go. Ah, it's going. Okay, let's go. Here we go. This is what I use for my primer. 5-minute face. You're in a hurry. Go to the gym. You gotta get dressed really quick after your workout. What do you gotta do? Your husband, you gotta go on a date. Ended up going on a day quicker than you thought you were gonna go on a date. You gotta get fast. Church, your kids are being turds, and you gotta hurry. What do you gotta do? You only have 5 minutes. Hurry and get your face on. First impressions are key. So I'm covering this red. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go now. Here we go, here we go, here we go now. Here we go. I'm kidding. But it's kind of fun. Okay, so I went in with my dark color to cover my redness. Now I'm going with a little highlight color to help open up under my eyes and bring attention to my eyes and not my makeup. Make sure you get your mustache next year. Contour. I can do it all without looking. Yeah, except for my nose. See how I went too low with my contour on my forehead? No worries there, because this 5-minute face, baby, I can fix it up with my cream foundation. That's why creams is easier. Okay, we're at 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Fix that part right there, because it's too low. I don't like it. Blend this in. Blend this in. I feel like I need more contour. Contour down here. Yeah, going with more contour if I feel like I need to. Or I can just go in with the Bella bronzer after the fact to warm up my cheekers. Yeah, okay. Cheek. Come on, Joss, you can do this. Fast face, fast face. And I'm gonna make time for my eyes too, people. I'm not just giving you the highlight part or the face part. I'm gonna bring to you the eyeballs too. First go in with my highlight. Get out any of those veiny veiners and brighten up my eye. Then I'm gonna go add my contour plus a dab of the nude lip and cheek. All with this detail half brush. Contour, dab of the lip and cheek, nude. Yeah, see? Makes it so fast. You can have your old dadgum face done all at the same time with, so far, the same brush. Okay, top that off with a powder, because it is a cream, and a little bit of a lighter eyeshadow. Oh yeah, baby. Now we're talking. Just finish it up. Oh, I'm at 408. I'm at 408. Can I do it? Can I do it? I'm at 408. Can I do it? Come on. Okay, 416. Hurry up, John. Hurry up, John. I can do this. I can do this. This is what I have to tell myself with my anxiety all the time. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. Wake up the eyes, extend them out. 432, 432. Okay, mascara on my face, on my eyes, like the real mascara, on my lashes. 443, can I do it? Okay, now stuff on my lips, stuff on my lips. Nude and cheek, I mean, guess there's some nude and cheek, nude and cheek. Oh yeah, 456, oh my gosh, 458. Oh, okay, I'm at 5 minutes. Okay, I just had to just add this in. I just had to, and of course I messed it up. Dang it, Jocelyn! Oh! That's okay. Okay, I'm at 511. 511. Did I do it? Oh. This is the joys of the cream foundation, people. That 5-minute face, a cream foundation makes it so in case you mess up, it's okay. I think we're good at 5. Whole face, done, 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 done. Can you see this? Pretty dang good, if you ask me. Pretty dang good. Okay, now I'm gonna bring you the rest of this. Are you ready? I'm gonna start back up my timer, and here we go. Okay, a little dry shampoo. Get it in there. I love this dry shampoo, smells so much. Like my whole heart, my whole soul. So good. Volumizer. Leftover curl from yesterday. Oh, look at that volume now. Yeah, baby. Little stay setting spray. Oh yeah, I forgot to do my face. Oh yeah, finish that up. Stay setting spray in my hair. Give it that beachy look. Time ticking. Hairspray. Oh, snap. There we go. Jewelry. Jewelry. Earrings. Hurry, John. I'm at 7:08. Oh my gosh, get in there! Okay, how do I look? That, do I have everything I need? My whole entire look? Did I do it? Stop. Party time. Oh, I sure did. Guess what? I have time to go and make my makeup look a little bit better because 10 minutes is all I needed and I have time to spare. So guess what? I'm gonna reset that timer and give myself a little bit more seconds. Here we go. We wanna look our very best. Not look like we did a 5-minute face and we kinda sorta didn't quite get a 5-minute face. So I'll just clean this up. Snap. And there you go. There's my 5-minute face, 10-minute look. Quick makeup tutorial just for you. I did it. I still have time to spare. I wanted this to be 10 minutes. Look, peeps. Whole look. Change my top, put in my earrings. Love these babies. They're lightweight, go with everything. Got my bracelets on. Got it all did. If I want to add more, I can because I had time 10 minutes. That's including my hair. I let my hair just what was left over from the day before, spruce it up a bit, volumize that sucker dry shampoo. Done and done. And yes, I am a mascara makeup artist here for you, for your needs. You can talk to me for anything that you need. I can become your artist and you can order through me as well. There's your 5-minute look. Okay, 5 minutes and 33 seconds. But I did it and I got ready less than 10 minutes. I hope that's what you wanted. You tell me. You let me know if that's what you wanted. Is this something that you feel like you can masterpiece? You can figure out your 5-minute face, quick and easy makeup tutorial just for you. I did use Maskcara Beauty throughout the whole thing. Only a couple brushes for my face. That's amazing. That's the joys of having a two-sided brush, which is very importante with trying to make things easier, more compact, more easy, just for you. So if you want more from me, you can subscribe to Fit Mission Makeup. Get the answers, get the questions that you have answered, and I'm here for you all the time. Just subscribe below, and you can find more from me on Instagram on the daily and here as well. Have a great day. Jocelyn McClellan, once again, Fit Mission. We'll talk at you later. Take care. Okay. Way good on time. Way good on time.